In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert screenshot in Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to capture part of your screen directly into your notes on Windows, and how to add a screenshot you've already saved to your computer. Let's start with the fastest approach on Windows. Open OneNote and navigate to the page where you want the screenshot to appear, then click in the spot where you'd like it to land. Press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Your screen will dim, and your cursor will turn into a selection tool. Click and drag to outline exactly the area you want to capture. When you release the mouse, OneNote will place that screenshot as an image on your current page, right where your cursor was. This method is a real time saver because you don't have to save a file first. It's instant. If, for any reason, the image doesn't appear automatically, the capture is still on your clipboard. Just switch back to OneNote and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Once the image is in your note, you can click and drag it to reposition, or use the corner handles to resize while keeping it clear. Now, if you already have a screenshot saved, or any image you want to bring into your notes, here's how to insert it from a file. In OneNote, click on the page where you want the image to go so it knows where to place it. Then, go to the Insert tab at the top. Choose Pictures, and if you see a submenu, pick From File. Navigate to the location of your saved screenshot, select the file, and click Insert or Open. OneNote will drop it into your page just like any other image. This is perfect when you've gathered screenshots in a folder or edited them beforehand. A couple of quick tips to keep your notes tidy and readable. After inserting an image, give yourself some space around it by pressing Enter before or after, so your text doesn't crowd the picture. You can drag the image to align it with your headings or lists, and resize it to balance detail with page layout. If you plan to annotate, insert the image first, and then use drawing tools or add text nearby so everything stays organized. That's it. 2 reliable ways to get screenshots into OneNote. Use the Windows Capture shortcut for instant, on-the-fly notes, and use Insert from File when you already have your images saved.